Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of BTech with RDC. So today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic. Can you see this piece of paper right here? What if I will say we can make an electronic gadget with it? Can we? So be curious and let's kick off today's video. Well, we are using a lot of electronic things like smartphones, tablets, fitness trackers, headphones, a lot of things. So most of these electronic devices we use, they are made of metal, plastic or glass. Just think if you could make these electronic devices out of paper, how wonderful it will be. Paper is very cheap and it's plentifully available. It's also flexible and lightweight, as well as it is completely biodegradable. So that is the best thing about it, that it will not create any kind of electronic waste. Well, the question is, can we create such paper electronic circuits? Well, engineers at Purdue University turned an ordinary sheet of paper into a simple electronic keypad. Although many teams around the world are working on paper-based electronics, but this new device is forced to power itself and also repel water and dust. So the researchers described about their new invention in December 2020 issue of Nano Energy. So this topic is completely new and fresh as well. How they are making this paper waterproof? Well, there are some sort of pots, or we say them as non-sticky pans. So there is a kind of chemical called Teflon. The coating of Teflon keeps food from sticking to the pots. So similar kind of components can also make paper waterproof. After getting sprayed by that chemical, paper still feels like regular paper, but when we spray some water, then instead of soaking through, the water will beads up on its surface. So that's how it will become waterproof and as well as dust proof. Well, the next step is to create the electronic circuit in that piece of paper. So first of all, they are the Teflon layer, then there are two layers of tiny nickel particles. These will act as wires to carry electricity through the circuit. Then the final layer is another coating of the Teflon like chemical. So this will make it waterproof. Finally, the team flipped the paper to the upside down and printed a keypad of numbers on the other side. They also added a tiny Bluetooth chip so that they can able to talk to the computer, or it will be connected to any kind of device we want to connect. Well, the circuit is ready. Now it is time to give some power to it, so that the circuit needs some source of electricity, and that comes from the tap of a finger. So when we are tapping, we can use the energy. So for example, in winter season we wear those woolen caps. Sometimes when we remove our cap, we feel that it's attracting our hair. That is because of the electricity generated because of the friction. So such triboelectric energy comes from the friction of two things touching or rubbing with each other. So in this keypad, the pressure of finger tap rubs together the layers of material spread onto the paper. The nickel particles, there are two layers. So this will generate a small amount of power, and that sends the electricity along the printed wires to the Bluetooth chip. Then the chip sends the signal to the computer, telling it that which number the person had pressed. Then that number will show off in the monitor as well. Not only a keypad, some other devices like keyboard or MIDI controllers can also create it using paper circuit. In fact, many useful devices don't require lots of power. So the team also printed a controller for a music player. So there are arrows to switch between the songs. Then there is a sliding finger along to the volume or down. Then there is a mute button as well. And the interesting thing is, the music plays from the computer, not from the paper. The paper is only used to control the music, but the music will play from the computer. Well, in the near future, such paper electronics will be the most useful as sensors. Packages of food or medication could detect if the product got too hot or too cold, or it's no longer safe to use, then they can indicate us very easily. As well as we can create the Harry Potter world. In Harry Potter movies we have seen that the books or the pictures in the newspapers or the photographs hanging on the wall, they can talk to people. So like that, if we can print electronics on a newspaper, then it will also tell us about the news. well, the future is interesting. So that's all about our today's video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends, and if you have any thoughts, if you have any ideas, the comment section is all yours. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. So see you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.